Hello guys, how are you doing? My name is Abdel Salim Garba. I'm a chartered accountant and influencer on YouTube. I created this YouTube channel to give to young African people advice about entrepreneurship, personal development and employment, because I'm convinced that the development of Africa cannot achieve without young African people. We need, as young Africans, to be involved in the challenge of development of this continent. So that's the reason why I created this YouTube channel, to give the best advice I can to young African people and to aware mindset of young Africans. I launched a few days ago a series of 10 videos to give reasons why it's important, if you are young entrepreneurs at this time, to become formal, to formalize your company and to start to pay your taxes, and to stop to be afraid to pay your taxes. The main reasons why it's important for you to be formalized is that if you need to answer to one question: do you want to stay at your home to make money just at your home, or do you want to become the most biggest company in your area or in your industry, in your own country and in Africa? It depends on your vision. If your vision is just restricted to your house and to your home, that's okay. But if your vision is to create a biggest company like Orange, MTN, South African Airways, etc., these big companies that you know today, these big brands that you know, you need to start to reflect to become formal. You need to come to be assisted by a chartered accountant. You need to go to a chartered accountant and say that, guys, my advisor, I want to reach this goal. I want to become a big brand in my industry. Please tell me how is it possible? What's the way we need to take to do it? And your advisor can give you the best advice, can help you and give you strategy, proposal to assist you to become a big brand in your area of expertise. Now, if you want to become a very big company, you need funding. I already said that if you want funding to grow, the first source of funding should be your clients. I developed in in previous videos, two techniques, two strategies to get more clients and to get more sales. Today I will complete these strategies with one new one. It's not a new one, it's an old one strategy, which is called traditional marketing strategy, developed by Seth Godin. Not developed, he wrote it in his book entitled How to Be Remarkable, the Purple Cow. In his book, Seth Godin, which is the best specialist in marketing in USA, one of best, he said that the most biggest brands you know in your area now, all of them use this old strategy, this traditional strategy. What is this traditional strategy, marketing strategy? This strategy needs that you use TV to communicate, to disclose information about your product. If you want to share to public, if you want that public be aware that your product exists, you need to inform them. I already said that you have digital marketing, you have social network to inform your public, you have gate by gate strategy. You recruit a seller who will go gate by gate, house by house, and present your product. But you have TV. If you see all TV channel, traditional TV channel that you know in your country, you will see that big brands continue to make advertising via this traditional channel TV. Now, you should aware that is a big opportunity for you to start to use again this strategy again. It does not mean that you should take all your marketing budget and put all of the budget in one strategy. No. The objective, the goal is to share your budget in different strategies to optimize the conversion rate, to optimize to get more sales in terms of in the same time you are optimizing your budget. You need to be aware that you need to use the most ways as possible you can use to get more clients, to get more sales. So the strategy of TV channel, traditional TV channel, is very, very important. This strategy is related to average low. I already said in this YouTube channel that the average low said that if to get one sales, you need to see, you need to present your product to 50 persons, to 50 people. If you before to get one sales, you need to see, to visit 50 people. So if you want to get two sales, you need to see 100 people. If you want to get 3 sales, you need to see and visit and present your product to 150 people. So the average low is the rate between the sales and the clients, the number of clients you are visiting. So if you use TV channel, you will see that around 5 million of people are watching TV every day basis. So if you go there and pay a small budget, you have access to this channel to show your product, to disclose, to present your product to these millions of people in traditional TV channel. This is a great way to get more sales, guys. Seth Godin in his book said that today in our century, this strategy did not work in Africa, in USA. But in Africa, we have 50 years late with USA. So we have a lot of opportunity to use. We can't stay, when we in Africa, we can continue to use this traditional way. Just for example, go and watch TV. You will see if when you are watching series, telenovelas, etc., if you will not see on advertising of a big brands. So guys, if you are an entrepreneur, start to reflect on this strategy. Come to see specialists like us in marketing strategy. We can give you the value services about marketing strategies and help you to get more sales. Because if you have not sales, you cannot pay any taxes, you cannot pay any expenses, you cannot pay any wages, you cannot make any profit. So I hope that this video, this advice will help you, will be useful for you and your colleagues. If you appreciate this information, please don't forget to put me the like, and please share with your colleague, your friends, your other entrepreneurs you know, that this video can help them. And thanks for watching our videos, and thanks for your support, your continuous support. And don't forget, please, to put the like and subscribe. If you are not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe, and see you tomorrow for the next video. Take care, guys. Cheers.